I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're going to do a wonderful little painting, and I really think you're going to enjoy this one. So I tell you what, let's don't waste any time. Let's have run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you probably saw by the title, I'm going to be painting a Bob Ross painting on my wall, or at least attempting to. And this whole video idea was centered around the fact that I was really bored. And this video trend had been circulating for a long while now, so I decided to join. I am still really bored, but luckily schoolwork has started to kick in. Throughout this week, I painted this painting on my wall, and as you will see later, it took me 3 attempts. Just one word of advice: don't use paint diluter as white paint. It doesn't work, it'll never work, don't. I think without further ado, let's just get straight on into the video. So, just to explain the mess behind me, this was my first attempt at doing a Bob Ross painting, but I ended up using paint diluter instead of actual white paint, so I don't really recommend doing that. But now I have proper white paint and I'm gonna try this again. Hopefully it worked out a little bit better than last time, because to be honest, I think anything would be better than this. I'm going to be doing season 15 episode 4. Without further ado, let's get into the actual painting.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
As you can see, this attempt didn't work out either because the paint from the previous attempt was shining through. So I personally don't really like how it's looking down there with all of the blue and stuff underneath, so I'm gonna do it up here now, which I know is gonna be harder, but I want it to look pretty still. So
she looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
So quick update, it's still very early to judge. I'm just gonna carry on. It's actually fun, so
Under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
This is a little update of what it looks like now, and I think it looks pretty okay, to be honest, like in comparison to what he's doing. Yeah, it's just difficult working with like different textures because he's on a canvas and I'm on my wall, obviously. I took a little bit of a break from painting for a bit, just so that the black could dry over here. Oopsie. I think now I'm just gonna carry on, because obviously that did not work.
She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really care what Simon say. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Ta-da! This is a finished painting. I feel like it went well until I got to the trees, and then it just kind of flopped. I don't know, I don't think it looks bad, but I don't think it looks like super good. Because it was a lot of fun. Like, it cured my boredom for about 4 hours yesterday. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me attempt at painting a Bob Ross painting on my wall. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I encourage you guys, if you have some paints at home and your parents are willing to let you paint this on your wall, then do it, or just paint it on like a piece of paper or something, because it was so much fun and it was so relaxing. I think that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon, very soon, with another video. Okay, bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah.